Every time I start struggling with discipline, I do this one weird thing that helps me personally get back on track. It's unconventional, it's strange, maybe you do it too, but for different reasons. But I find myself always doing this, and it kind of works. So whenever I feel like I'm veering off track in terms of my goals, for example, I'm missing some workouts, I'm getting distracted, I'm not focused on work, I'm starting to sleep in, and I'm feeling more and more lazy during my morning or evening shower, as it's nice and hot and steamy, I crank the temperature to freezing cold. And where I'm from, it's actually freezing cold. And I stay under that cold running water for as long as I can take it. It's a psychological thing. It takes me out of my comfort zone. Trust me, in the winter time when you're taking a nice hot shower, it feels absolutely amazing. You're so relaxed, and then shifting to the point of extreme discomfort is just kind of like a wake up for me. And I find it's extremely important to practice being outside of your comfort zone. It's a small, gentle gesture to kind of wake me up and tell myself that, okay, you're getting a bit too comfortable. It's time to get going. And the cold always gets me going. That's just a little weird hack that I wanted to share with you, but it works for me. And these things are important. Not everything has to be so deep and scientific. Sometimes there's a little habit that helps you out in life. I want to hear yours. What do you do to get you back on track with your discipline? Let me know in the comments.